how to start to draw a triangle in Inkscape. This is really to be satisfied with that is this situation. So what we're gonna do through that is this moment about that cell that we're gonna see. So what we're gonna do is about select the star tool, and as you can see, we're gonna start to draw that, which is exactly set three corners of rectangle. But this is can be like, okay, we're gonna start to go for if you double click on it, we're gonna start to see the triangle, but actually we don't want to make the rectangle. We gonna start to go for making the square, and then we gonna start selecting nodes. Actually we're gonna see that we nodes, and okay, we're gonna return nodes back, make it back, then you're gonna see okay, that is actually interesting, and anyways, but doesn't matter. We're gonna start to draw with a breather tool like this, one like this, and one like this. Okay, again we're gonna start to draw one like this and one like this, and here we are, we draw rectangle triangle on Inkscape.